Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video we are going to learn how we can show top and results in a Tableau chart. So here on the screens you can see I have created a bar chart in which I have filtered out the states having the top sales. So these are the top 10 states with the maximum sales. So in Tableau there are three methods by which we can show the top and results in the Tableau chart. So the first method to show end result in Tableau is using the filters, and the second method is using the parameters, and the third and the last method is using the rank calculation. So these are the three methods through which you can show the top end results in Tableau chart. And also I have written the step-by-step tutorial for the same, which I will mention in the description link below. So let's see how we can show top end results in the Tableau chart. So now you have to connect Tableau with the Superstore dataset and then follow the steps. So in this example, I'm going to create a chart that will show the sales for the top 10 states in USA. So this data is already there in the Superstore dataset. So for that, I will drag and drop state province to the filters. And as I drop it over here, it will show me another window. So the most basic option to filter out the records is using the checkboxes. But here we want to filter the states according to their sales performance. So to filter out the top states, click on the top tab and here select option by field. So here in the drop down you will see these are the various fields on the basis of which you can filter out the records. So in this example we are going to filter out the records on the basis of sales performance. So here I've selected the sales field. So here you can see the option by field. Here we are going to filter it by top records, and here you will select the numbers of records that you want to filter. So instead of 10 you can also assign any other number, but in this example I'm going to select 10 records to filter out the 10 states. And after this you have to click on the OK button, and now press Ctrl and drag states from filters to rows. Now you can see on the chart we have got 10 states according to their sales performance. So these are the states. So these are the states having highest sales amongst all. So after this you will drag the sales measure to the chart. So here under the orders you will get the sales. So we have to drag it to the columns. So with the bars you can see the sales of each state, and also you can arrange it in the ascending or the descending order with the sort button that is there in the navigation bar. And here I will set the view to entire view, and to display the cells you have to click on this text icon to show the mark labels. So here it is the cells of these states. So this is how you can show top and results in Tableau chart using the filters. Now we will move ahead and see the second method in which we will show the top and results using the parameters. So in this example using the Tableau Superstore dataset, we are going to show the profit for the top 5 product categories. So here first we will create the parameter. So to create the parameter, you have to go to the data tab and here click on this drop down near the search bar and here select create parameter. So first we are going to name this parameter. So I'm going to name it as top and dimension. So data type here will be float, or you can select integer also. And the current value is the number of records that you want to display in the top result. So here I will enter 10 as the current value. So now the parameter will take top 10 records, and after this click on the OK button. So as I've told you that in this example, we are going to show the profit for top 5 product subcategories. So now we will drag the dimension subcategory to the filter section. So in the previous example, we have selected the top as the number, but instead of number, we can also select the parameter that we have created right now. So here I will select top and dimension. And after this, we have to select the field on which we are going to filter out the top records. So in this example, we will select the profit to filter out the top 10 product categories with the most profit. And after this, click on the OK button. And now drag the subcategory to the rows. So with this, we have got the top 10 product subcategories with the highest profit. And after this, drag profit to the columns. And here I will set the view to entire view. So now you can see these are the top 10 product subcategories with the highest profit. So in this example, we have used the parameter. So one benefit of using the parameter that you can also dynamically change the top numbers. Like as of now, we have filtered out the top 10 results. And if you want to change the top result from top 10 to top 5 or top 12, then for that you have to click on the parameter and here select show parameter. Then on the right hand side of the chart, you will see top and dimension, that is the parameter. And from here I will change the number, and now you will see the same number is reflected in the chart. So as of now, it is displaying the top 5 product subcategories with the highest profit. So this is how you can display top and results in Tableau chart using the parameters. So now we will see the method in which we will display the top and results using the calculative field. So for that, again I will create another chart. So in this you can use the parameter that we have created in the previous example. So I'm going to use the same parameter, and now we will create a calculated field that will display the result based on the rank. So to create the calculated field, click on the drop down and here select create calculated field. So here we will name it as show top and results, and now we need to enter the formula. So the formula will be if rank, then we have to enter the measure of the field. So here I'm going to take sales, and you can also select any other measure like profit or discount. And after this you have to write top and dimension. This is the parameter that I've created in the previous example. And then we will enter the condition, then show, else hide, and then we will end the formula with and keyword. So what this formula will do, it will take the number of records from the parameter that we have defined, and then it will show the results according to the rank of sum of cells. For example, we have entered the dimension as 10, then it will take the dimension having the sales from ranking 1 to 10. So after entering the formula, I will click on the OK button, and now I will drag state to the rows and sales to the columns. And after this we will drag the calculated field. So this was the calculated field, show top and results, to the filters, and here select show and click OK. So now you will see the top 5 results, because in the previous example we have changed the parameter value to 5. So now to show the parameter in this chart as well, you have to again go to the parameter and here select show parameter, and on the left hand side you will see the parameter. So from here you can change the value, and now you can see the same values will reflect on the chart, and with this you can see top 12 states with the highest sales. And here also we can arrange it in the descending order. So this is how you can show top and results in Tableau using the filters, parameters, and a calculated field. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share, and subscribe us, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get regular updates of our upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.